In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a preset that I created almost the day that I got my Fender Tone Master Pro. This preset was actually created to play a track called Brother John by Joe Satriani. I know I've already created a Satriani preset called Super Colossal, but this is a clean preset rather than a distorted one. So I thought it's still different enough that I should go ahead and actually show this to you and share it with you. So this tone isn't an absolute replica of the Brother John tone. It's just something that I've created to play it and some other tracks by Joe Satriani. So I also play The Headless Horseman from the same album, Midnight from Surfing with the Alien, and The Forgotten Part 1 and Day at the Beach from Flying in a Blue Dream using this preset. So the basis of this preset starts with the Marksman Channel 1, which is a really nice clean Mezzo Boogie amp. That's using my Sur S4 and I'm on the neck pickup. So this is a very simple setup. I just have a dynamic mic 1/2 inch off the cap edge. Have the volume on 6, the treble on around 7, middle around 4, bass on 7, presence almost 6.5 to 7, and the master 7, 7.5. And then on the second page here, you can see I have the graphic EQ on, everything else is switched off. And then the graphic EQ is set to a sort of V curve here. Now to create this tone, I've got a few pedals that I'll switch on for you. First is the large hall reverb. The next one I'll switch on is the compressor. You can see I have the level quite high here. The tone and attack are at noon, and the compression is set to 37%. The next pedal that I added was the mono chorus. I think that sounds really nice. And then the final piece of the puzzle for me was to add the echo filter mono. Now this effect isn't in any way related to the original tracks. I just thought that it sounded pretty cool. I hope you enjoy the preset. It's called JGG Brother Satch, and you can download that using the Fender Pro Control app from the cloud.